Hello guys, I am very excited to be back on the channel with a new tutorial. I really missed to build applications with flutterflow. Maybe you saw I mentioned it on our channel community. I went to vacation for a while and it was so good for recharging. But when I back to home, I got some issues on my business and I have been struggling to figure this out. I couldn't focus to our channel and exclusive videos because of this, but now I think everything is good and we can continue to our works. So today we will learn how we can pass data between pages or with parameters on Supabase. I want to show Supabase power more in our channel, so if you want to learn this kind of tutorials, please subscribe to channel, like the video for help to other no-coders to discover Supabase power. Thank you. We will start with querying the table with ListView widget. I will query my expense table in this example. I will query a list of this table. Okay, we queried the table so we can set the values of widgets. As you can see that it needs a default value, so I will just click space on my keyboard. You can also change setting of these features later. Now I want to transfer data of this unique row to detail page. In this case, you can also think another page. So click action. Find navigate to action. Click define parameter. It leads us to detail page and click add parameter button. Define a name to this parameter. Type will be Supabase row. Choose the table name. We should define the parameter, so click parameter button. Value will be Supabase row under of the table which is queried. That's it for this page. Let's go to detail page. Okay, now we will set the widget's values and its data will come from parameter. We can directly set with parameter values, but of course you can also use querying with parameter, but I don't think to use it because this is much easier for me. I started to set values to widgets. We finished setting values, so let's test our system. Debug feature is new on my tutorials and looks like so useful. If you want to learn what it is, you can comment below. My computer is old and slow, so this takes a little time to load the page, but I will try to buy a new one. Sorry for that. Okay, our app is here and there are my expenses. There are YouTube, Netflix, flutterflow and TV NoCode subscriptions, and all data are correctly loaded. We can start with flutterflow subscription. Let's click. Yes, it led us to the detail page and all data are correct and other columns are loaded correctly too. Let's check other expenses. Okay, it looks correct too. We did it and learned how we can pass the data between pages with parameters. I hope you find these tutorials are helpful and enjoy from videos. If you liked the video, please like button and help me to reach more people. If you subscribe to channel, you will not miss this kind of tutorials and you can also check my other videos. By the way, you can check my website and purchase pre-built complex templates, and these templates will help you to make applications easier. You can become member for support my work and getting exclusive videos. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.